Mailo Nkavaku Police Headquarters for 9 hours. I've been called there by the police in connection with the statement I made demanding the burial of Edgar. Edgar is not an ordinary citizen, he's our former president, whether we like him or not, whether we like it or not. But his body belongs to his family. He has been lying in the mortuary, frozen in a fridge for 9 months now. Because Hichilema doesn't want his family to bury him, he wants himself to bury Edgar. Edgar, who was not his friend, Edgar, who was not his relative, Edgar, who he was not talking to, who he was at loggerheads with. Why does Hichilema want to bury Edgar himself? Leko mnove aya tushete buntu batiro mweo wa muntu waba mukutwi. Chula chintomfwa apulikila mulemba mukutwi. Ichi kutirwe tachumfwe ndivu. Leka banove bachitefi balefwa ya, it can't be your way all the time. Pa constitution is your way, on everything is your way. Tefyo biekala muchalo. This country is not going to be a good place for any of us to live in if it's not a good place for all of us to live in. Weshio mutima mulumendo.